Hi, this is Jane Hardy. Some more little tips and hints about networking. I think I got it totally wrong when I first went networking. I thought it was all about sales and more sales. But actually, when you think about it, how many of us like being sold to? It really is not a nice experience. Networking is about creating relationships, having one-to-ones, and a one-to-one, for those that don't know it, is just a simple meeting after a networking meeting. Networking is just the start of your journey. It's about collaboration. It's about asking for help and support. It's about asking for Joe Blogs of X, Y, and Z company if you would like an introduction to them. You won't find, or you might on a rare occasion, exactly your ideal client in that room. However, your ideal client might be somebody's best friend in that room, or somebody that works with somebody who knows somebody. So unless you actually ask for help and support and have an open mind, the people in the room are not there to sell at you. Certainly not at my groups. They're there to help, support, collaborate, motivate you, inspire you. And another thing is about giving. Give as much as you can, whether it's a compliment, whether it's an introduction, or as long as it's an honest introduction and you do follow up and you're honest and just be yourself and smile. And don't forget, you've got 2 ears and 1 mouth. So listen, because by listening you can learn. And be present and just be honest. Just enjoy it. Go with an open mind, an open heart, and have a fabulous time, whichever networking meeting you go to. So that's all for now. Stay cool. Be fabulous. Bye.